This is Tsukiji Outer Market, and today I'm eating everything it's got. Fresh sushi, street food, matcha ice cream in the middle of a seafood market. Yeah, that's a thing here. Let's go.
رسیدیم به تسوکی آوتر مارکت. میتونی انواع اقسام ماهی ها و غذاهای خیابونی ژاپن رو تست کنیم.
And here we are, Tsukiji Outer Market.
اینجا کرپ رو داریم.
I gotta be honest with you, this place is packed. This isn't some hidden gem nobody knows about. It's one of the most visited food spots in Tokyo, so get ready to be shoulder to shoulder with tourists from everywhere.
دنیای سوشی ها در رنگ ها و اقسام مختلف.
Thank you.
سالبان خوش شده است این فکر کنم.
Pink wrap.
Pink wrap what? $7, $8, $9.
Prices? Yeah, not cheap. It's a tourist area, so you're paying tourist prices. That's just reality. But it's still a market, so you get that real food market energy. Stalls, vendors, all of it. Worth it, even if it costs a bit more. We tried sushi at one of the restaurants inside the market, and what I loved most was how they welcome and thank every single customer, loudly in that traditional way. It just makes the whole place feel so alive.
Taiki? Taiki? Cold. بچه ها خیلی رسم بادی دارن هی تشریف میکنن و اینکه This soup name.
Udon.
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 It's good.
いいです。美味しい。デリシャス。本当に本当に。
500 minutes.
500.
Only cash. Yes, 500 change.
چا میخواره. Thank you. بستنی ماچاتو. جای قبلی که خیلی خوب بود 4600 تا ین شد ولی خب کلی خوردیم.
Wagyu beef.
Is it touristy? Yes. Is it still worth it? Absolutely. Honestly, this is what I love most about traveling. Getting to explore how other people eat, the culture behind their food, the little traditions most tourists walk right past. If you enjoyed this one, subscribe for more, and I'll catch you in the next video.